Want to delete app from your Samsung phone the right way? In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest method to delete apps safely, free up storage and keep your device running smoothly. Follow this simple two method and you will have unwanted app removed in just a few taps. Stay tuned. First thing first, unlock your phone. After that, swipe the home screen to open the app door. In the menu here, you can see the all of apps listed there. Scroll through the right or left to find the exact app if you want to delete. For example, I am delete TikTok, so long press the TikTok app icon. In the pop-up menu, tap on the app info icon to appear. After the menu is open, scroll down a little, find the storage option, tap on it. Here you can see the clear cache and clear data option. Tap on both options to clear them. After it's done, back to the previous app info page. Then look for the bottom menu bar. Here you can see the uninstall button. Tap on it, then hit uninstall again. And that's it. Your app is automatically deleted. If you decide to use another method to delete app, don't panic. This is also work. So second method is using settings app. So first of all, open the settings. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll down a little, find the apps option, tap to open it. In the apps menu, here you can see all of install or pre-install apps listed there. Scroll through the list, find the app if you want to delete. For example, I am delete Fox News, so tap on here. At the same process, in the app info page, scroll down a little, go to the storage space. Tap on clear cache, then hit clear data, tap delete again. Now back to the previous screen again, look for the bottom, hit uninstall and confirm by uninstall again. And that's it, how you can easily delete apps on your phone. But please note, if you try to delete pre-installed app, but this is not be possible to delete app. For example, I am trying to delete Chrome browser. To open Chrome browser, but here you can look for the bottom, not be available delete uninstall app. But I can recommend you can remove it easily. To do it, this time you can tap on disable, hit disable app again and automatically remove the app on your home screen or app drawer. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, please consider to subscribing to my new channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.